Hello, today we are going to learn supervised learning in machine learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning. It involves training a model on labeled data. The goal is to predict outputs for new, unseen data. A common example is classifying emails as spam or not spam. The model is trained on a dataset of labeled emails. It learns to identify patterns that distinguish spam from non-spam emails. Classification: predicting a categorical outcome, such as spam or not spam. Regression: predicting a continuous outcome, such as stock prices. Multi-output: predicting multiple outcomes, such as predicting the price and square footage of a house. Data must be cleaned and preprocessed before training the model. Features must be selected and transformed. The dataset is then split into training and testing sets. There are many algorithms to choose from, such as decision trees and neural networks. The choice of algorithm depends on the type of problem and the characteristics of the data. Hyperparameters must be tuned to optimize the model's performance. The model is trained on the labeled training data. The algorithm updates the model's weights to minimize the error between the predicted and actual outputs. The process is repeated until the model converges to an optimal solution. The model is evaluated on the testing data to assess its performance. Metrics such as accuracy and mean squared error are used to measure the model's performance. The model may be refined or retrained if the performance is not satisfactory. Overfitting occurs when the model is too complex and fits the training data too closely. Underfitting occurs when the model is too simple and does not capture the underlying patterns in the data. Regularization techniques can be used to prevent overfitting. Can be used for a wide range of problems, can achieve high accuracy with sufficient labeled data and appropriate model selection, can be used for both classification and regression problems. Requires labeled data, which can be time-consuming and expensive to obtain. Performance can be limited by the quality and quantity of the labeled data, may not be suitable for problems where the relationship between inputs and outputs is complex or unknown. Image and speech recognition, predictive maintenance in manufacturing, fraud detection in finance. Supervised learning is a powerful tool for solving a wide range of problems. It involves training a model on labeled data to predict outputs for new data. The choice of algorithm, data preparation, and hyperparameter tuning are critical for achieving high performance. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.